Gururam Namaste. Good afternoon all of you. I am the second students to discuss about addition. So, from your activity book volume 3, page number 23. Add the following numbers. See here, hundreds, tens, ones, 234 plus 536. First, look at the blackboard, everybody. First, the given number, write in column wise according to their places. So, this is ones column, this is tens column, this is hundreds column. So, 234 plus 536. First, we add the digits in ones place. Ones place, we have not only digits, we add change. See here, 4 plus 6. 4 in the mind, and you have to take 6 fingers in your hand. So 4 plus 6, 4 after you can count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can get 10. In it, 10 is a 2-digit number. 10 is a 2-digit number. In it, 0 is taking, write down in one's column. Now, 1 is carrying in 10th place. Okay, better. So now next we add C. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind, 3 in the mind. Did you understand? See here, 1 plus 3. What better? See, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, you can get 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Next, plus 3. See here, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3. So, 4 in the mind, 3 in the hand. So, 4 after 5, 6, 7. See, I can say shortcuts. Look at the blackboard. 1 plus 3, 4. So, 4 in the mind. 4 in the mind, 3 in the hand. 4 after you can count 5, 6, 7. 7 write down in tens column. Next, 2 plus 5. 2 in the mind, and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. You can count 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sum is equals to 770. Now next, see here, listen. This is hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 186 plus 397. Listen carefully, better. See, better. Listen. Hey, write down. See here. First, the given number, write in column wise according to their places. So 186, 397. 186 plus 397. First to add the digits in ones place. Ones place lo unnatuvanti digits ni add cheyandi. See, listen carefully. This is third time. I can repeat. See, 6 plus 7. 6 in the mind, and we have to take how many fingers? 7 fingers in your hand. So 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in it, 3 is taking right down in one's column, 1 is carrying in tens place. 1 is carrying over to the tens place. Tens place so carrying here. Listen, look at the blackboard. See here, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 in the mind and 9 fingers in your hand. So 1 plus 8, 9. So 9 after you can count 9 fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is a 2-digit number. Look at the blackboard. In it, 8 taking and write down in tens column. Now 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. Next, to add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying. See, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 in the mind, 3 in the mind. Look at the blackboard. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 in the mind, 3 in the hand. So 2 after 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3, you can get 5. So sum is equals to 583. Now next, 519 plus 704. First the given number write in column wise according to their places. First to add the digits in ones place, that is 9 plus 4. Keep 9 in the mind and you have to take 4 fingers in your hand. 9 after you can count 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is a 2-digit number. You need 3 is taking right down in one's column and 1 is carry over to the tens place. So see, 1 plus 1, 2. Look at the blackboards. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0, what we get? 2. 2 write down here. Now next to add the digits in hundreds place. 5 plus 7. See, keep 5 in the mind. You have to take how many fingers? 7 fingers in your hand. So you can count 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can write 12 total because this is the last place of the given number. So 1223, that is the sum. Now next, plus 148. First to add the digits in ones place. Look at the blackboard. 6 plus 8. Here 6 in the mind and you have to take 8 fingers in your hand. 5 fingers plus 3 fingers. You can count 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in it 4 is taking a right down in one's column, 1 is carry over to the tens place. Now next to add the digits in tens place along with carrying number, carrying digit. See, look at the blackboard. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. So you have to take how many fingers? 4 fingers. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 after you can count 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is a 1 digit number, you can write directly, there is no carry. Next, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 4. So 3 in the mind, 1 in your hand, no? So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 write down in hundreds column. So sum is equals to 470. Write down. and 53, 171. This is very easy beta. First to add the digits in one's place. 3 plus 1, 4. So 1 is added any number, you can get next number. So 3 plus 1, 4. Now next 5 plus 7. So keep 5 in the mind and you have to take 7 fingers in your hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in it 2 is taking right down in tens column. 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. Okay na beta? Ardhamainda? Next to add hundreds place. Digits. See here. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1? 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1? 4. 4, right. So sum is equals to 424. Five 109 plus 137. Listen carefully, beta. First we add the digits in one's place. 9 plus 7. Keep 9 in the mind. Okay, we have to take 7 fingers in your hand. 7 fingers. Okay, you can count 9 after 7 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in it 6 is taking right down in one's column, 1 is carry over to the tens place. Look at the blackboard everybody again. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 0, 2. See here, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 in the mind, 3 in the hand, no? 1 plus 3, 1 after 2, 3, 4. 4. Now next, 5 plus 1. 5 in the mind, 1 in the hand. 5 after. So 646. Plus 265. Look at the blackboard. So first to add the digits in one's place. 3 in the mind and 5 in the hand. So everybody listen carefully. Keep the number 3 in your mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. You can count 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 write down in one's column. Next, to add the digits in tens place, that is 5 plus 6, 11. Keep the number 5 in your mind and you have to take 6 fingers in your hand. You can count 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Write down here 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. In it, 1 is taking a write down in tens column, 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. See here. 1 plus 4, 5. So 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 5 after 6, 7. 708. $272 plus 227. This is very easy. 2 plus 7, 9. 2 after you can count how many? 7, no? So 5 plus 2, 7. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 after 2 fingers, 8, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 after you can count 2 fingers. 2 after 3, 4. 499. $358 plus 136. First to add the digits in one's place. 8 plus 6. 8 after you can count 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is a 2-digit number. You need to 4 taking right down in one's column. 1 is carrying in tens place. Next, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 after you can count 3 fingers. Look at the blackboard. 1 plus 5, 6, no? 6 after 7, 8, 9. So 9 is write down. 9 is a one digit number. There is no carry. Next to add the digits in hundreds place. 3 plus 1. 3 after 1. 4. First we add the digits in ones place. 4 plus 5. Here 4 after you can count 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is a one digit number, then you can write directly. Next 0 plus 7, 7. 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. 0 a number add chesina kuda ade number vastundi. 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. See now next 5 plus 2, you can count 5 after how many? 2. So 5 after 2. 5 after 6 is 7. Sum is equals to 779. and 37 plus 195. Listen carefully better. See, first to add the digits in ones place. Keep 7 in the mind and 5 in the hand. So 7 after you can count 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 write down here. 12 is a 2 digit number. In it 2 is taking, write down in one's column. 1 is carry over to the tens place. 1 is carrying in tens place. See, now 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. We can count 4 after how many fingers? 9 fingers. See, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 9 fingers. 1 plus 3, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In it 3 is taking, write down in tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. See here, 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, next number, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 732. And 74 plus 267. First to add the digits in ones place. 7 plus 4. Keep the number 4 in your mind and you have to take 7 fingers in your hand. So you can count 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can get 11. In 2 is taking later in one's column. 1 is carry over to the tens place. Now next to add the digits in tens place along with carrying number. 7 plus 1, 8. Look at the blackboard. So 7 plus 1, 8. Keep in your mind. Okay. So how many fingers you can count? 6 fingers. Take 6 fingers. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in it 4 is taken, write down in tens column. 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now next 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. So how many fingers I have to take? 2 fingers. You can count 1 plus 3, 4 after 2 fingers, no? 4 after 5, 6. Sum is equals to 641. 572 plus 241. First we add the digits in ones place. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 after you can count only one finger. 2 after 1, 3. Next 7 plus 4. So 7 after how many fingers you can count? 4 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. In it 1 is taking and 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. Look at the blackboard everybody. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 7, 8. 270 plus 406. First we add the digits in ones place. 0 plus 6, 6. 7 plus 0, 7. 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, you can get the same number. 0 plus 6, 6. 7 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 4. 2 after you can count how many fingers? 4 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. 674 plus 352. First we add the digits in ones place. 4 plus 2. 4 after you can count 2 fingers. 5, 6. Next 7 plus 5. See here. Keep 7 in your mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. You can count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Even this is 2-digit number. In it 2 is taking right down in tens column. 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Now next we add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 6, 7. So how many fingers I have to take? 3 fingers. 1 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is no canning because this is the last place of the given number. and 62 plus 467. Look at the blackboard. First we add the digits in one space. 2 plus 7. So 2 after you can count 7 fingers. Keep 2 in your mind. Now you can count 7 fingers. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the combination digits in one column. Now next we add the digits in 10 space. 6 plus 6, 12. 6 after you can count 6 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. In it 2 taking right down in tens column and it carry over to the hundreds place. Did you understand? See next 1 plus 7, 8. 8 after how many fingers you can count? 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Write down total because this is the last place of the given number. Sum is equals to 1229. 857 plus 595. Look at the blackboard, everybody. First to add the digits in one's place. That is 7 plus 5 beta. 7 plus 5. See here. Keep 7 in your mind and you have to take 5 fingers in your hand. You can count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. In it 2 is taking right down in one's column and 1 is carrying in tens place. Now next look at the blackboard. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 after how many fingers you can count? 9 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 2-digit number now. So in it 2 is, sorry, so 5 is taking a right down in tens column, 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Look at the blackboard. Now next to add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 8 beta 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 after how many fingers you can count? 5 fingers, no? So 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 8, 9, no? 9 after 5 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See here, there is no taking a carrying because this is the last place of the given number. No? You can write 14 directly. So sum is equals to 1452. 963 plus 258. First to add the digits in one's place. 3 plus 8. Keep 3 in your mind and you have to take 8 fingers in your hand. How many fingers beta? 8 fingers. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in it 1 is taking right down in one's column, 1 is carrying in tens place. Look at the blackboard. Look at the blackboard, everybody. See, 1 plus 6 is 7. So how many fingers I have to take? 5 fingers. See, once again, 1 plus 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. In it 2 is taking right down in tens column and 1 is carrying over to the hundreds place. Now next to add the digits in hundreds place. Look at the blackboard. 9 plus 1, 10. So how many fingers we have to take? 2 fingers. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 after you can count 2 fingers. 10 after 11, 12. See here. This is the last place of the given number. Then you can write total 12 in hundreds column. So sum is equals to 1221. Did you understand, everybody? Okay. Today class completed. Thank you to all.